We are the first performer and we are about to start our own. In the beginning, there was nothing. And Mateo.
Noin?
Mateo. Mateo all things. We looked around, but there was nothing. You listened, but there was nothing. There was only Mateo, alone and nothing. First, with his power, Mateo created a great water. Great water. The fish said,
Tama ba?
also created the night. After creating the light, he tried to create the sky air. The birds,
Pangit ang mga talo.
and the people of the water. The loon, the food, the fruit, and the water.
Pangit. Nagtuko. Bakit ba?
The loon, the malyard, and the snow goose tried to find something to give it to Mateo. But after one day, they didn't find something. The food goes under the to find something there. Then the key. And she finds out what. She gave it to Mateo. After the food gave the to Mateo, Mateo tried to mock something. And he had molded a person. Mateo is the person, so he created another one. A girl.
Ano? Hinatay niya. Ano yan?
Because the person into the top of in the top of the circle. A grandmother circle. After moving the person in the grandmother herself shed, he became contented. Afterwards, after a long time, the two people formed the
Yeah.
Then the baby was followed by another one. They grew. They formed many tribes. They went their way and founded many tribes. From time to time, after Mateo realized that these people walking on the earth had certain needs, those times, Maheo, with the help of his people, he gave them deer for clothing, porcupines to make their ornaments, the swift antelope, and the ultimate, and the prior dogs that burrowed in earth. We are all here because of you. And that's the end of our